have to walk through here to come into the kitchen and family area. So we expanded the kitchen, moved the peninsula back, and opened up, well, this used to be a laundry room with just one washing machine in there, and now it'll be a nice big pantry. And we're going to have a seating area here at the breakfast bar. And then let me go over here and show you the this will be the new laundry room. Oh, we have someone working in here. That's okay. We can take a quick video of them working in here. So it'll be the big laundry room, and the hot water heater will be in here. And it'll be huge. Women will love it. It'll be fabulous. Okay. So big wide open spaces, lots of flat walls, lots of can lights going in. Yeah. And so here we have a hall bath. We'll be tiling all around above that tub. Yep. And getting all new fixtures in there. And down here we have the fabulous master. Always nice to have a toilet in the middle of your master. Just kidding. And we changed this up a little bit, so now there is a huge walk-in shower and a huge walk-in closet. And then we've got some added wall space that we didn't have before. So it's a very large master shower. All the drywall going in. We'll be ready to paint next week. And a couple more bedrooms down this way. So all the windows will be going in. There we go. So we'll change out the windows. We have the recessed can lights in the bedroom, walk-in closet here. And one more bedroom. More can lights. Getting those walls smoothed out. That's good. Okay.
I'm sorry, by the way.
Okay. Bye, everybody. We'll see you next week after we paint.